finger away top pine here upper.
Top, waterproof.
అది లెన్స్ మీద మన వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ పడితే క్లీన్ చేస్తుంది గోప్రో.
Black and white birds, what do you enjoy? The tree up on the field.
No?
No, the water hints.
The second field.
It moved. Gadilaki.
There you can see coconut tree, bigger leaf, coconut tree, small
Yes.
plant. I just come down each other, you can see black and white bird. The field, first field, second field, third field.
Yeah,
Near the white tree, the big white tree, but at the bottom each. See,
right.
yeah, two of the
There
random
too.
there you can see the black and white. And that is about only we say white-breasted water hen. We always say Kurg Aishwarais. We'll see.
రెండు ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి కనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు, ఇంకో లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి. గడ్డిలో ఉన్నాయి.
It's feeding there, right?
You can see.
కనిపిస్తుందా? It's not scared by the sound.
You see the bird coming down the camera.
Keep on down.
These birds are when the bird flies, sir, you can see white color. When the bird sits, we cannot see the colors.
Right.
Because the mud,
Brown.
what you can see, the bird no same color you can see. And the bird name called sir Indian pond heron you can see. They were the state one. Because the bird you can see under wings, so you can see complete the white color you can see. See the whole very well camouflage, the bird and the mud and the same color you can see. This is also sometimes a very clever bird know what to do. And they take any roti, any bread. They don't eat because vegetarian. They'll what to do, they'll come to near the water body, they throw like this. This time a small tiny fish will come and bite the bread. This time the bird and fish know very friendly. Again the bird what will do, they take bread, they put near the feet. Just to attract the fish. This time little bigger fish will come and bite the bread. This time the bird not very friendly with the fish. This time which fish they need, they catch and eat like this. Very intelligent bird what you can see. And the name called Indian pond heron. Indian pond heron. It's more found in cultivation land. Eat frog, tadpole, earthworms, all catch and eat.
It's a carnivore.
The water hens are standing there. Anyway, I'll show the pictures. That is the coconut. This is a big, this small coconut tree, sir. Just come down. The coconut tree just come down. The bird walking here. Just when there.
There are two. The one on right, coconut tree.
Another there.
Straight one.
I think both went down.
The land and uneven there.
ఇటువైపు ఉన్నదా, రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న ట్రీ?
There no.
White breast, no?
Yeah, white breast. This is called white-breasted water hens. नीचे गए नहीं देख. Sunday, state holidays. There is many, the local employee, you can see workers and that's all. Today is state holiday. All is state holiday. Today is Sunday, the local market. The same, the bee eater you see in the wires. But now you see color now.
Oh, there's a bird there in the middle of the field. The same beetle.
Same bee eater. Wow, two of them you can see.
Oh, two are there.
This saying I will go see it. Yeah. On the field you can see this animal.
Clear here.
And it's beautiful color you can see. It is a nice blue and brown with a short beak. No, you can see. Call it the bee eaters. Okay, this. The birds in the daily actually so they eat for 50% of their body weight. Half of the bird body weight. So bird actually the 50 gram like a 50 they need 25 gram food need per day to fly long distance and get more energy. In Coorg also we call birds are paradise because the 25% of our Indian birds found only in Coorg. Do you know why? Because we have a lot of vegetation more because we have a lot of ficus tree, fig, anjeer, like we have other tree also. That's why we see more birds found only in Coorg all you can. So Coorg will completely come to under Western Ghats.
CCTV
CCTV for only not bird, what do you see, coffee drying also.
It's very active.
You see one more, what you say, give side. Only one side is.
ఇక్కడ చాలా క్లియర్ ఉంది చూసావా
చాయిదా
చాలా క్లియర్ ఉంది Parakeet there, sir. There you can see the green, look like a knife, sharp one. The big look like dark green trees, and all the branch all looking up. Many of them, The little back side you can see one more green. You go tip exile Tolakulak direction, then go back side green color bird. That call comes from there. Just look at my camera. You can look the camera. There's the branches. You see the branches. They go little back side. There you can see a green color bird sitting there. You can see this one. They can have picture. The like branches look like a knife, like kurga knife. Back side you can see That the bird fully green color and fat also you can see. We not seen before you can.
Yeah, yeah.
Example, you see here